Good morning, Dr. Chan. Thank you for your time in having this interview session with us. First of all, congratulations on Doctor for receiving the ASEAN US Science Prize for Women last year.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. As we know, Doctor is currently attached to a Department of Medical Microbe of Faculty of Medicine in University of Malaya. Perhaps Doctor can share a little bit about your research.
Okay. So, I'm currently the head of Department of Medical Microbiology, Faculty of Medicine, University of Malaya. So, in the last 30-40 years, we have been a renowned department in infectious diseases. And of course, our department is known for championing many research in the field. And this is also where Nipah virus was discovered. And also, we have researchers championing different diseases from tropical diseases, dengue, to enterovirus, and of course now SARS-CoV-2. So our department have also been contributing, of course, to clinical microbiology and to all the different diagnostics in the field of microbiology.
All right. Thank you, Doctor, for sharing on your research, especially on the Nipah virus and also the tropical disease viruses. Yeah, we perhaps that in one day the vaccine will be available, and that's contribution to the communities. All right. So speaking on the viruses and also the vaccine, in these 2 years, there's the pandemic of COVID. So how is your department and your team actually adapt to these situations?
So, just now what I said, it's actually all the different research and impact that we have done for Malaysia. But as for myself, I have been involved in, I'm a virologist by training, so I have been doing a lot of enteroviruses work, especially on hand, foot and mouth disease. And I also work on chikungunya virus, and also recently my lab has shifted a bit of focus to COVID-19. So for all these emerging infectious diseases, our interest is, of course, to understand how the disease develop, how the disease, how they infect human, and of course, that will help to, the end goal is, of course, to use those knowledge to actually make vaccine or antivirus. So, so in the last 2 years, for example, we have been, it has been a very hard time for research, of course.
I think everyone is,
correct. So it has been hard because, there were lockdowns, there were times we do not know what to do, there were no reagents, there were no flights to bring the reagents in, and so on.
Understand on that,
But we are quite fortunate. We were the first few labs in Malaysia that actually were alerted of the Wuhan outbreak, and we were the first few that have the PCR to be able to diagnose actually SARS-CoV-2. And with that, in a short time, we were able to put things together and therefore have the right, PCRs, and subsequently, we also managed to actually set up a COVID lab to do our SARS-CoV-2 research.
How many of these Esco experiments are available in your departments, and actually how long that you have been using our products actually?
So I must say Esco has been very supportive. We have been able to procure Esco products, unlike other products that will require shipment and so on because of the restrictions. It was difficult to procure other things, and we have been we had quite, as you mentioned, we have a lot of Esco products, and it has been easy
how many of that?
We have in the department, we have been the loyal customers of Esco.
Thank you.
So Esco has offered us a very good support system. I mean, the service has been brilliant. We have been getting easy. If there's any breakdown, we could actually get a good response time within 48 hours, or sometimes in a day. So that has kept us believing in Esco, and that always gives me a peace of mind, because that's one of the very important reason you choose a product. And in terms of the price is extremely competitive. So we have been choosing Esco because it offers a very competitive price compared to other brands.
That's good to hear that.
We have been having things like equipment for tissue cultures, equipment for biological hazards, of course, biological safety cabinets, tissue culture incubators, rocker, and also freezer. It's our latest addition.
Alright. So thank you, Doctor, for your compliment on our service and also on the competitive pricing. Just for Doctor information, currently we have more than 20 engineers located in Malaysia, and our office currently is actually in Shah Alam. So we also have a team of the post-sale service which handle customer inquiry and the concerns. So we actually dedicated to aim for a on-site response effectively.
No wonder. That's the reason why I'm getting very good and quick response, right?
Alright. So by your experience of using our Esco products, do you have any special highlight features that you like about Esco?
Okay, I think ever since I started working in as a lecturer in this department, I have been introduced to Esco, and from that onwards, I think the last 10 years, I've just added more Esco products into my lab, from biological safety cabinet to incubators, and recently, like I mentioned, freezers. So I think definitely price and also the service, it's what very important to us. The maintenance plan of all this equipment, and it gives you a peace of mind, and it gives you also, assure you of a right decision making, that you don't have to worry about your maintenance at all.
So I think our service and the product actually meet your doctor expectation. Is it? I'm right?
Oh, definitely, yes.
Alright. Thank you, Doctor.
And of course, your great crew members, of course.
Alright. So thank you, Doctor, for today of having this interview session with us. So this is our great time to have you for many years, and we hope we have more futures of the project that we're working together. Alright. So before that, we have some of a token of appreciation that would like to present to doctors. As a token of appreciation, we would like to present Doctor this friend of Esco.
Wow, lovely.
You can put in your office desk. Anyway, alright.
Thank you.
Alright.